Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan, and we're going to do the rear chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. That's just your regular rear chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way we're able to change the appearance on the rear panels. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So one option to prep it before doing the installation would be washing the vehicle. That would be the best option. Reason being because a car wash will remove all the contaminants that the panel may have. But if you don't have access to a car wash, or you don't have time to do a car wash, you can use slip solution, which is just baby shampoo with water, or you can use any products that is safe to use when it comes to cleaning on your vehicle. Just make sure if you do use any products, make sure it's safe to use onto panels. And once you're done cleaning off the panel, make sure it's dry, because if there's still water on the panel and it gets on the adhesive is just going to lift over time and it's not going to stick even if you add heat. So you need to make sure that the panel is dry. So when it comes to installing this middle piece here, you can start from either end. Just make sure wherever you start, it's just a line. So let's start on this end. So make sure when you align it, you match this curve section here to this curve of the panel here. So just align it right on the curve, and you're gonna have extra material just to cover the curve here. So it should be covering the curve and the line to the top. Make sure to have extra material to cover the chrome on the inside, and you just follow the top section of the chrome to cover it. So lift it and align it, and it should be like this. Remember, you need extra material to tuck in and cover the chrome from the inside. Once everything is aligned on that end, carefully lift the film and just use the top half of the panel as the guide in order to align the film. So just take your time, align the film, lift carefully. If you need to fix it, and just work your way to the other edge. And it should be like this. And now grab your squeegee and start tacking down the whole film here. Secure the flat area first. You can secure this whole middle section. Just remove all of the air bubbles behind the film. And if you do happen to have a big air bubble or any type of air bubble anywhere in the installation, we recommend using the needle or a pointy object, poking a hole right on the center, and then applying heat, and little by little heating around the area, and use your finger as pressure and just moving all the air to where you poke the hole, and that should remove the air bubble. Okay, remember you're gonna have extra material in the curve section, so that's fine. And then you would just apply heat to help the film tack down to the curve, and apply heat. And then just squeegee the remaining film underneath the panel. And then right here, there is a cutout where the middle section of the panel cuts, and then the other side continues. So wherever that cutout is, that's where we would trim off the extra material. So once you find the cutout, use your blade to trim it off. So just do the same trim here to the other end. And once you finish trimming off the extra material on both ends, trim off the extra material from the middle section here. So just make sure you don't accidentally trim off too much where you expose the chrome. So find that sweet spot in the middle and just trim off the extra material. And so it should be like this, covering the chrome still inside. And then you would just trim off the extra material from the lower section here. So find the gap and slowly trim off the extra material. And now we would apply heat to help tack down the film. And then once we're done with this piece, we'll move on to the edges. So now we move on to the side pieces. So with this one, start by aligning it on this edge. That way you have enough material to cover the chrome section here. And once you align it, use the top half as the guide in order to align the film. You just take your time when installing the film, and it should reach up to this edge here, and it's just going to overlap to this section just a bit. But remember, we're just going to trim off the extra material where the cutout is. Once you applied the film, grab your squeegee and start tacking the film down. And on this curved section, you may need to apply heat to help the film tack down, but just take your time when doing the installation. So lift it carefully and tack down the film. Okay, and now we're just going to apply heat to help tack down around the curve here and around the curve on this side too. Start applying heat to help the film cover around the edges. And once we finish applying heat, now we can trim off the excess material. And then the last thing to do is post heat all around. So find the gap to trim it. So once you finish with the whole installation on the rear panel, the last thing to do is post heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on the panel activate faster, and also wherever we trim, we just help it tack down and secure it more better when applying heat. And then once you're done post heating, you're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the rear chrome delete for the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.